Dive into the captivating world of elements with our Element Spotlight series. Today, we're illuminating the wonders of aluminium. This element is not only your soda can's best friend, but it also plays a stellar role in the cosmos. First, aluminium is a star's favorite snack. It's formed in the fiery hearts of massive stars and then scattered across the universe when those stars explode. Second, it's lightweight yet strong. This makes it the perfect material for things like aircrafts and skyscrapers. Third, it's an excellent conductor of electricity, powering our homes and cities. Fourth, it's resistant to corrosion, making it ideal for outdoor structures. And fifth, it's recyclable, making it a champion for our environment. Discover the magic in everyday science with aluminium. Like, comment your favorite element, and share this science magic with your friends. Stay tuned for more quick dives into the fascinating world of chemistry with our Element Spotlight. #Element Spotlight, #Science Magic, #Chemistry Wonders.